Hello my friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll show you very shortly and easily how to create Google Forms in mobile. So guys, just open up your Google application on your phone, whether it's Android or iOS, it does not matter. And of course make sure that in your Google application you're signed in with your account. As you can see, I already am. After that, just type in Google Forms in the Google search and click on the very first link. And guys, it's very easy. As you can see, you are already taken to the screen where you can submit your form. You can add a title, for example, let us say it somehow brings up the same name. Why does it bring up the same name? What the hell? New? It just brings up the same name. I have no idea why. So just add a description, for example, test form. You can also, as you can see, change the type of text. For example, you can make it bold. You can also add multiple choices. You can also, as you can see, add a plus down here and add some more stuff. As you can see, multiple options. You can also add files, you can add videos, you can add photos, as you can see, and you can insert the image. You can browse or drag. Well, you can't drag on the phone, so just browse. As you can see, it's very simple, same thing as on PC. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys. If it was easy to do by our tutorial, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one, my friends.